When a client approaches you, you're already 50% there in terms of them accepting your proposal and your offer, and without having to worry about too much bartering and negotiation. But if they have not approached you and you've gone to them via a cold email or a cold call or even word of mouth to an extent, maybe they've heard about you and you knew there was some interest, but you approached them first, then you're closer to 0 or 10% because they might not need you. You invaded their space and now all of a sudden you've said, hey, I can build your website for you and maybe I can do X, Y, Z. They are probably going to need more convincing before they work with you. So think about your proposal, the offer, and make sure you offer what they need, not just like a generic proposal. And they may be quite annoyed when you contact them, but if they contacted you, so they found you, or they heard about you, or they saw something you produced, like a guide or a video, or it might have been a tweet or something on LinkedIn, and they like what they saw enough to make them want to contact you, then you are 50% there. Your foot is in the door, and now all you've got to do is convince them that little bit more to cross the finishing line. So when they contact you, take some interest in why they've contacted you and what they want, and think about how you can help them out. Don't go rushing in with, yeah, I'll do everything you want. Understand their needs. And if you make them an offer that satisfies those needs, then you're going to go from 50% to 100% in clinching that deal. I'm Imran from Web Squad, and I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. Catch you later. See you soon. Bye.